cigarette. Så jag ska se. Maxa.
You've been acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately. I'm inside, just
Drop it.
it's okay to say you're exposed.
It's Hoodie Allen.
Always have to be on top.
What up, Marina? They telling me to take the safe route. This is the detour. Really, baby, you ain't seen a kid like this before. Late night doing for the moonlight warring. Some hits come out as soon as you hit recording. Born in America, Chevy and Ford, but these Greek ladies loving me. They saying he's foreign. Floored them, moved the crowd down by they bootstraps. Came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler. But if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's a message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder.
Acting awful tough lately, smoking a lot of cigarettes lately.
Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now,